Hi everyone, we're going to make a very unique craft today. It's actually a craft that I just created in my mind. First you're going to take this mesh that kind of reflects water, and we're going to roll it up, and I had a hard time doing it on the tablecloth, so I had to do it on the board. And we're just going to scrunch it up to my fingers. Once I have that done, I'm going to zip tie it. And then I found this, or Patty may have found it a long time ago, but it kind of reminds me like reflections of water. So I thought this would be neat to add into what will be our pond. Then I'm going to take this paint. I think I got it from Dollar Tree. It may have been from Dollar General. It's cobalt blue. And this is going to be the bottom of our pond. And then I'm going to add here in a little bit. You're going to go about 3/4 of a way down the board. You want to make sure that the sides are done as well. Then you're going to take glitter, and I believe it was Caribbean, and I got this from Walmart. And then you're just going to rub that in, so it'll have like reflections from the bottom of the water when you're looking down. So you'll have like a little bit of reflection there. Like I said, I just created this one day, just setting in my mind. So this could come out looking crazy to some of you. Then I'm going to just take my bundles, and I didn't count the bundles because I just made them as I went. Depending on the size of board that you would use, you may need more, so it's just your preference of how many you make. But doesn't it look like the swirls of water? Like, I just think it's kind of cool looking. And I just periodically place the white in the blue wherever I wanted it. Just take your time. But doesn't that just look like swirly water to you? At least that's what I'm pretending it is. It's my pond. Now I'm going to take recycled that I took from other projects, floral form, and I'm going to kind of cut at a slant so that I'm going to glue it on there. And this is going to be my embankment where I'm going to put my wildflowers and stuff that my little bunny is going to set on. I'm going to take some moss, and I'm just going to take the moss and just glue it down. And once you get that glued down, you want to do the sides. And what I did is I just took Fabri-Tac, Beacon Fabri-Tac, and I laid it on the sides. And then I just took the remnants that was on my tablecloth and kind of went in and rubbed it in so it would stick good. Hindsight, I should have painted this area all green so you wouldn't see the wood through there, but hey, it is what it is. Now I'm just going to take my flowers, and everything I got was from the from the Dollar Tree. And you're just going to periodically just place this greenery and everything wherever you want it to be. Doesn't matter. And just keep building up. This comes out really cute, I think, and it'd be great sitting on a long table, a tablecloth, mantelpiece. I mean, it's just a unique kind of crazy. This is how my mind goes sometimes, just really crazy. But isn't that how creative people are supposed to be? You're supposed to come up with something different. It gets boring seeing the same things over and over. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment and say, great, this is cute, this is wonderful, I don't like it at all, whatever. Just leave me a comment. I'd appreciate it. And if you guys would, please subscribe and like. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And you're just going to keep building whatever flowers you want. This is just some stash that I had, and just put it in there and see what comes. And in a little bit, you're going to see where I think I got just enough, and I'm going to place the little bunny down. Isn't that cute, you guys? I mean, it looks like a little wild embankment of wildflowers growing. And here's my little bunny sitting there looking over the beautiful spring day overlooking the pond. I hope you guys enjoy this craft. It's super easy. You guys have a happy Easter, and God bless you guys. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you.